Welcome back to the beginner's course to build your online empire. This module will equip you with the necessary criteria for you to look out for in order to choose the best products to promote. So I've done my spreadsheet and I've analyzed all the 6 months featured products, and I find out that some have some good earnings and some don't. How am I supposed to know the best one to promote? Well, I'm glad you asked. What I'm about to share is my definition of a best product. These are the criteria that have helped affiliates earn those extra commissions you've been looking for. Criteria number 1, choose the product with the most rewarding commission. I would advise you not to go for anything less than 50% commission. They're not worth your time. Just head to JVZoo and choose Find Product under the Affiliate tab. The second criteria is digital products sell better than physical products. Don't get me wrong, physical products do sell, but far less than digital products. Also, physical products seldom have 50% commission. Your earning will be less for the same amount of work a digital product affiliate will do. And don't forget to keep an eye on an upsell that comes with the product. This is like an extra offer, and it's the second criteria you need to look out for. For example, when you go to McDonald's and you order for a medium-set meal, the cashier will automatically ask you, would you like to go for large instead? It only costs another $1. This method allows McDonald's to increase their revenue. If the vendor provides an upsell, it's going to be highly profitable because you'll be able to gain more commission. The third criteria, a commission that has a recurring element. That means that the vendor will commission you monthly. For example, if it involves a monthly fee of their membership website, you'll be paid monthly for every imposed fee. Another one is instant payment. Sites like JVZoo provide a system called tentative payment, where you'll get instant payment, but if a customer asks for a refund, they'll retract your commission instantly. The last criteria you should look out for is the demand of the product. With demand, any products will undoubtedly sell better. If the market demand of the product is low, then it'll be a waste of your time and energy for you. Hence the 6 months feature product spreadsheet I told you about earlier. That's why it pays to do your homework of the products you want to promote. Get to know the vendor, look them up on JVZoo, and ascertain to yourself that their sales are genuine. Read their affiliate details and sales page. Trust me, it's worth every bit of your money and time spent.